都可以啊。
干不动嘛。
我给这个多了，我得。
70ครับฝั่งนี้50ฝั่งนี้50
อันนี้50ไหม
ฝั่งนี้ขึ้นไป50ครับ50ได้ครับ
拿吃的来。
เกียร์เรือลูกเกียร์ลูกไม่ซื้อสไปร์ลงมาให้ผมอ่ะเกียร์ลูก
好了，长度。行了，可以了。
จะนอน
Busbar machines. The main function of MX602K-8C CNC busbar punching and shearing machine is to cut, punch, emboss and chamfer the copper and aluminium busbars. The busbar machine consists of the following parts: a loading table with stainless steel rollers, a single row in-line mould library for left and right position movement, a hydraulic clamping system with position detection, an XI servo shaft for front feeding, and a rear-end pulling X2 servo shaft, finished stainless steel conveyor belts, electrical control system, hydraulic system with proportional valve control and automatic lubrication system. The CNC electrical control system of this machine consists of controller, servo system, man-machine interface, detection device, etc. German original Backhoff brand controller, 4-bus controlled ABB brand servo motors, and German Ball-up linear displacement sensor guarantee the stability of the machine. The main stamping cylinder, controlled by the German Rexroth proportional valve, can reach up to 180 times per minute. The high-quality accessories guarantee the efficiency, stability and service life of the machine. The Busbar processing machine auxiliary design system can be used by CAD on computer in office. It can realize 2D, 3D drawing and 3D animation simulation. It can directly generate machine control code after accurate circulation of the blanking length and wireless or U-disc copy to the device. The auxiliary design software can be on NC40Z series CNC busbar bending machine as well. It can automatically calculate the bending expansion when drawing design, saving material cutting intuitive and quick. The NC40Z CNC busbar bending machine is mainly used for the bending work of copper and aluminium busbars. It can be used to realize flat bending, vertical bending, U-bend, twisting, etc. by changing different molds. The machine can be connected with MX602 series through network cable or wireless connection to realize the data exchange. Directly downloads the bending data and can also edit the bending program separately. The structure of the machine adopts to an upper open type, which can conveniently take and place busbars, and the bending power is supplied by double pumps to ensure bending efficiency and bending precision of the machine. The gauge of the machine is servo controlled and the position can be adjusted manually according to the needing, which can easily realize the control of the position of the busbars during the work of flat bending and vertical bending. The machine also can be equipped with an electronic die system that detects busbar bounce according to customer requirements. DGWMX busbar machines are one kind of machine, can cut, punch and bend busbars at the same time, not influence each other. This machine can also chamfer, twist, emboss, flatten, press cable joint, etc. The bending station of 503E-3-S CNC busbar processing machine adopts closed bending type. The structure is firm. The vertical angle of the workpiece angle is high. The angle control adopts the touchscreen input mode and the workpiece is completed by the cooperation of PLC and encoder. The bending work is fast, the operation is convenient and the bending angle is consistent. The bending station is divided into 3 operation modes: RL-shaped, Z-shaped and U-shaped. When working, only need to select the corresponding simulation graphic and input relevant parameters, and the bending process can be conveniently and quickly performed. The cutting unit of the machine is a double knife hedge cutting, and the cutting mouth is smooth and cutting without waste.
What's horrible?
Directions of DG-WMX series Busbar machine. Fill hydraulic oil. Open the side door of the machine. Then, counterclockwise turn the top cover of the oil port on the hydraulic station and start filling the machine with hydraulic oil. The model of the hydraulic oil is number 46 anti-wear hydraulic oil. For C1, E1, C1S, E1S type, hydraulic oil quantity is 60 litre advisable. C3, E3, C3S, E3S type, hydraulic oil filling quantity is 90 litre advisable. When the temperature is below -5 degrees Celsius, please replace the oil to be number 32 anti-wear hydraulic oil. After filling the hydraulic oil, clockwise tighten the upper cover of the oil port and close the side door plate. Power the machine on. Open the door of the electrical cabinet. Connect the 3-phase 4-wire power supply with L1, L2 and L3 at the lower left corner of switchboard of the machine respectively, and connect the earth wire with ground. After checking, turn on the air switch and then the power is switched on. Connect the foot switch of each unit. Take out the 3 foot switches in the toolbox and connect them to punching, cutting and bending units respectively. At this time, all preparations have been completed. Startup of the machine. Startup mode of C1, E1, C1S, E1S type Busbar machine. C1, for example. Open electrical cabinet door. Turn the air switch in the electrical cabinet on. The power light is normally on at this moment. Check the emergency button on the operation panel, and the 3 emergency buttons of 3 stations are reset or not. Press the start button on the operation panel. Clockwise turn cutting, bending, punching buttons on the operation panel. Let them be in working state. Startup mode of C3, E3, C3S, E3S type Busbar machine. E3, for example, open electric cabinet door. Turn the air switch in the electrical cabinet on. Turn the power key clockwise. Power light normally on. Check the emergency button on the operation panel, and the 3 emergency buttons of 3 stations are reset or not. Lightly step on the foot switch of each station, or press each working button of the 3 stations respectively. 3 working motors are running at this time. Check whether the power wires are connected correctly or not. Lightly step on the foot switch of cutting station, or press working button of the cutting station. If the workstation is normal running up and down, means the connection of the power wire is normal. If the machine motor is rotating, but cutting station cannot be normal running up and down, please first cut off the total power supply, then open the electrical cabinet. Switch the order of any 2-phase position of L1, L2, L3. Energized again, the machine can run normally. The cutting unit of this machine is double edge offset shearing. The cut mouth is flat, without waste. This unit, with double column shear structure, simple structure, strong and durable. On the work table of the machine, with scale and positioning device. When work only need to adjust the positioning block to required size. Then place copper and aluminium bus bars on the machine table. Rotate the material press handle according to the width of bus bars. Choose 1 or 2 screws of the material press handle. Then step on foot switch or press button to cut off. The mold positioning device of punching station is independent rotating die set. Can load 1 set, 4 set, 6 set, 8 sets of punching molds once. The mold frame adopts upper and lower integral structure, are processed by CNC machining center. The concentricity is wonderful. Operators only need to rotate lightly when need to change tools. Connection parts with double column structure, strong and durable. The positioning model of punching station is mechanical two-way positioning device. By adjusting the X-axis longitudinal size and Y-axis lateral size to complete positioning work for the workpiece. When batch work, it is high machining accuracy and high processing speed, etc. The bending station of 303 E3S CNC busbar machine adopts closed bending method with the firm structure, high verticality of the workpiece. The angle control is touchscreen input method through the PLC and encoder together to complete the bending work. With high working efficiency, convenient operation, high consistency of bending angle. The bending work is with 3 operating modes: L bending, Z bending, U bending. When work, operator only need to select the corresponding simulation graphics and input the related parameters can convenient bend bus bars. Daily maintenance of the machine. Busbar processing machine is the special processing machines of electricity industry, mainly used to process copper and aluminium bus bars, and copper and aluminium compound bus bars. Please do not process the workpiece of other materials on the machine. Please check the tools on the work table before using the machine. Do not place them around the moving parts of each unit. Please follow the instructions strictly during the operation of the machine. Please do not put any part of your body under the moving part of the machine for personal safety. After using the machine for each shift, please clean up the sundries, tools, etc. Fill lubricating oil to the sliding part of the machine and cut off the power supply of the machine and total power supply. Regularly check whether the connecting fasteners of the machine are firm and reliable. Regularly check the reliability of circuits and electrical components. and regularly check whether the hydraulic oil level is within a reasonable range. If any abnormality is found, please timely maintain or contact us. Machine maintenance. Need special person to use this machine, and the person need after professional training before work. If the machine breaks down, please call our after-sales service and repair under the guidance of after-sales staff. Our company will give you the most satisfied reply at the first time.